In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to restore the missing toolbar in Tradingview. If your drawing tools have disappeared and you can't find the left side toolbar, don't worry. I'll walk you through a quick and reliable way to bring it back, and I'll explain what you're looking for at each stage so nothing feels confusing. First, open your browser and go to tradingview.com. You'll get the most consistent results on a desktop browser. Once the site loads, head to the charting area. If you're on the home page, you can use the search bar to look up any symbol you want to work with. The example you choose doesn't matter for this fix, we just need to be inside a chart. Next, select a stock and open the full chart. Make sure you're in the full featured chart view, not a small preview. You'll know you're in the right place if the screen is dominated by the price chart, with space around it for panels and toolbars. This is important because the drawings toolbar only appears in the full chart interface. If you're seeing a compact widget, switch to the full chart first. Now look toward the top left of the chart window and click your profile icon. This is the small avatar or user icon that opens the main menu for your chart workspace. It's easy to overlook, especially if you're focused on the chart itself, but this menu controls several interface options that affect what's visible on screen. Inside that menu, find and enable the Drawings panel. This toggle controls the visibility of the vertical toolbar that contains the drawing tools like trend lines, Fibonacci tools, shapes, and text. The moment you turn it on, the left side toolbar should reappear alongside your chart. If you see it but it's very narrow, it may be collapsed, move your mouse to the left edge and it will expand. If it's already on and you still don't see the panel, quickly toggle it off and back on to refresh the layout. That's all it takes. By opening Tradingview, entering the full chart, clicking the profile icon in the top left, and enabling the Drawings panel, you restore the missing toolbar and get your drawing tools back where you expect them. Remember, this panel can be hidden by accident, so if it disappears again, you can use the same steps to bring it back in seconds. Thanks for watching. If this helped you restore your toolbar, you're ready to get back to analyzing your charts without interruption.